Alright, I was pleasantly mistaken. There is enough of a break in the rain that I can take the Mellow Drive out for a little spin. So I'm just going to do a quick run around the block here. We're going to start off here with a relatively gradual incline. This hill here is about 4 or 5 degrees, and then, or percent, sorry, 4 or 5% incline. And then I'll do a circle around the block, and then I'm going to come back to this hill, which is about 9% incline. The catch is that I have not unlocked Pro mode, so I may only be able to take the bigger hills in Pro mode. I'm going to go ahead and skip Rookie and go straight to Eco, and we'll see how this goes. So the roads are dry, it's not raining, I got my Mellow shades, and we're going to give this a go. So I've powered on the board and the remote. Let's just see how this works. Slowing down just a little bit up this 4 or 5 degrees. Pretty sure there's no chance in this mode that I'm going to be able to get anywhere up that 9% hill, which is fine. I'll have to wait until I unlock Pro mode before I try to tackle the bigger hills like that. Also, to be fair, I didn't have any running start at all. I just barely kicked it. While I'm waiting here at this crossroad, I'm actually going to pull up Endomondo to be able to record top speed as we do the flats. So, got my Endomondo app here. Unfortunately, I don't have an iPhone, so I don't have the vidometer that can overlay the speed and everything like that directly onto this video. But at the end of the video, we'll take a look at top speed and stuff like that. So I'm going to start. Alright, we're recording Endomondo. Just waiting for cars to clear up here. Alright, I think we're clear. Feel nice and strong, at least on this flat. Alright, this is where I was going to turn, so... Road quality here is pretty lousy. Most of the noise I'm hearing is just from the road. It's not from the motors at all. I can't hear the motors at all. So I'm testing the brakes, and this is a fairly steep little short little incline. I'm doing a brake test here. This brakes all the way on, and I'm almost coming to a stop here, even on the downhill, which is nice. Oh, that's slow. Right, here comes that crossroad again. Cars. Here. right, so I didn't expect it to make it up this hill in the eco mode. We'll have to wait till we unlock Pro before we can try to tackle the bigger hills. But let's take a look at the app. Again, I don't have the Mellow app yet, so I'm just using Endomondo here. So let's see. I'm gonna stop. All right, so here's our summary. We've got 3.5 minutes. Average pace. Okay, so average speed was 8 miles an hour. Where's our max speed on here? Is Endomondo not giving me max speed? Well, that's lame. Alright, well, I don't know what my max speed was because Endomondo is apparently lame. Well, that's frustrating. Oh, wait, here we go. Alright, so forget altitude. So here's our speed graph. It looks like we peaked at somewhere around 14-ish miles an hour. So that was probably, yeah, that was on the flat right near the end there. Yeah. Alright, so that's a quick ride on the Mellow. I'm going to have to ride it a little more to unlock the Pro mode to really test out its full capabilities, but that's a good first impression. The board ride's nice and smooth. You know, I can feel a little bit of the bumpiness of the road through the thinner urethane than like a board like the Z board that has 97mm wheels and is belt driven. But it's not so much that it really is a nuisance or like, you know, bothers me. You know, it's just something that since I was specifically paying attention to it, I did notice it. The remote, also worth noting, fits in my hand nicely with the wrist protector gloves on, so that's also nice. And yeah, I don't really have a lot else to say. So far it's pretty great. Acceleration was smooth, braking was really strong, but also smooth. And yeah, I'll let you know a little bit later after I've ridden a little more how it feels.